Welcome to our quick guide on how to manage email change confirmed notifications in Okta. If you're tired of these notifications cluttering your users' inboxes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, head over to your Okta admin console. Once there, click on Customizations and then Brands. You'll see a list of brands. Go ahead and select the one you're working with. Next, we're going to deal with emails. Find and click on the Emails tab. Now let's find the right template. Look for the Email Change Confirm notification and give that a click. Time to make some changes. Look for Audience section and hit Edit, and then choose Admin Only. This way, only the admins will receive these notifications, keeping things tidy for everyone else. Just click Update to save your changes. And there you have it. You've now successfully adjusted the settings to send email change confirmed notifications to admins only. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.